Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get more followers on Instagram Reels. Easy and quick. First, just open Instagram Reels and then now once you're here, if you want to get more followers, all you have to do first, just click these two lines and then click follow and invite friends, and now just click follow accounts from Instagram, and then you will go to Instagram, and that's it. Just keep following random accounts on Instagram or following your friends, and then just go back here and you will find that you have a new followers. And that's it. It's easy. I hope this video is helpful, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.